Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Notion's calendar and how to set it up. So first of all, when you are on Notion's dashboard, you can see there is a calendar option already. So open Notion calendar. I have already installed it to my MacBook. It works also on Windows. So basically you have here all of your calendars. And here is my Google Calendar. So as you can see, you can add a calendar account and you can connect your Google Calendar account here. So this is really convenient because you can actually use Google Calendar and Notion all together, or add any other calendar you want. So you can turn on, for example, birthdays, and also you can have your Notion database here. So it has your calendar entries, as you can see, but for the trading, for the Notions database, you need to have a calendar inside your, as you can see, this is the calendar right here. So you need to have it installed in your notes. So for example, right here, as you can see, there is no calendar, but what you want to do is click plus new view and click on this calendar view, click done. And after that, you have this calendar on your notes. And now you can actually open the calendar and you can turn these on. We can actually change the color of this by clicking right click of the mouse, and then you can change the color of these, as you can see. So basically that's how it works, and that's how you set it up. To add your notes Notion calendar right there, you need to set it up here on your every single entries, and to have it from your Google, you need to just connect it like so. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.